Everybody, happy Valentine's Day, Austin. Look at Mama. Ooh, which is for you? Ooh, what do you guys think? Okay, Dave, you can come. Do you like them?
I think this one is Austin.
That's Austin's, and he gets Elmo. And Daddy's is in the middle with the I love you. And Lexi's is here with the roses and the heart bee. Good.
And I get the Elmo.
Okay, you get the Elmo. Now you guys gonna open your stuff, Dad? You should all open together.
Can I open this?
Okay, open your card first. Do you like your balloon, Daddy? I turned it off because it was too bright in the video camera. I won't video you, Dave. Do you need help, Osti?
I know it's Rugrats. I said to have Rugrats sticker fun.
Oh, it's Tommy. Especially.
Ooh, that's a pretty nice card.
Thank
you.
you.
Like all them nice things?
Yeah, I'm sure. What'd you get, Ost?
Look at
Reptar.
Yeah, Reptar card. Will you read this?
I will. Okay, yours says,
Ooh, look at what I got, Lex.
love Mommy and Daddy. The Rugrats got stickers for Valentine's Day and used them all up in the silliest way. And here are some Valentine's stickers for you. Hope they bring lots of smiles and the mostest fun too. Happy Valentine's Day. Have fun. Love Mommy and Daddy. Yep, Osti, that one's yours.
Reptar's all mixed up, Ost. Look at those, Lex.
Ooh, what'd you get, Ost?
Sour Patch.
Does Austin have to fix Reptar?
Yeah, it's a puzzle.
Oh, that's cool. And I got
Thank you, Mama.
Uh-huh.
Hey.
What'd you get?
DVD.
You got your own Tarzan PlayStation game. Oh my gosh!
No.
And what'd Lexi get?
Sour Patch, but like, what is that?
It's a chocolate heart full of Sour Patch Kids.
That's what I thought.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Oh, cool. A new Rugrats game.
Yay! And it's a different kind. It's a brand new kind.
Somebody must have went to Funkoland.
So what do you guys think?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Good! You guys are well.
Austin,
No, it's a game.
get out.
Okay.
Oh, it's just Austin, can I see your game? Yes. Cool. Can you do that?
See? Yeah, here, look. Good! I picked that one for you.
Best out of frogs.
Good, honey.
Hold it for me.
Yeah, you can hold it. There you go.
Because frogs are my favorite animals.
Wow, Austin, you're set with all. Look at Austin with all his stuff.
I think I can write in.
Yeah? Let's give you some breakfast first. Okay. Signing off. Happy Valentine's Day.
Okay, bye.